In just 8 days, a court-ordered hold on Ohio's abortion ban will end, once again banning abortions at about 6 weeks of pregnancy. Thanks for staying with us tonight at 5:30. I'm Andrew Kinsey. Now, other states tonight are looking at further restricting abortions. In fact, Missouri is considering making it a crime for women to travel out of state to terminate a pregnancy. And Texas is looking to crack down on the practice of sending the drugs by mail to people's homes. Could Ohio do the same thing? And if the state tried, would it be legal? Two big questions tonight. 10 TV's Kevin Landers looks into what lawmakers could do come November. He's live tonight with the answer. Kevin.
Well, good evening. Ohio Right to Life says it has no plans to block a woman who travels out of state to terminate her pregnancy. Constitutional scholars say travel bans are undeveloped laws, but they say if states find a way, others may follow.
Ohio lawmakers won't return to the State House until mid-November, and when they do, anti-abortion lobbyist Michael Ganadakis says there are no plans to introduce legislation to ban the travel of women seeking abortions out of state.
Look, a woman that lives in Toledo or anywhere in Ohio can drive to Detroit, Pennsylvania, and other states, whether we pass something or not, based on how many weeks pregnant they are. So it's unconstitutional to ban travel in between states, and we're not attempting to do that, and I know no one across the street that wants to do that either.
Constitutional law professor Tracy Thomas of the University of Akron says while there is strong indications from the U.S. Supreme Court that travel is protected, the court hasn't said that.
We have some pretty strong statements from the U.S. Supreme Court that there is a right to travel and that you could go to other states, although it's a very underdeveloped area of the law.
Associate Supreme Court Justice Brett Kavanaugh appears to provide further clarity.
Justice Kavanaugh, in the Dobbs abortion opinion itself, said he thought that the right to travel absolutely protected women who would travel across state lines.
Because of Ohio's abortion ban, the closest options for women are in 3 states. Michigan has found the abortion ban unconstitutional and has chosen not to work with states wishing to prosecute out-of-state women that seek an abortion there. Indiana is another option. It recently passed a ban with some exceptions. The other option is Pennsylvania, although there are limits at 24 weeks gestational age. The governor has signed an executive order to protect abortion providers and those seeking abortions from other states. But what about women who purchase abortion pills online? Ohio Right to Life says it has no plans to restrict them.
We're not naive. We understand that the pill will be able to still come into this state even if we ban abortion. Well, it's impossible to create a state law that would regulate the internet or the postal service delivery, so we're not even going to attempt to do that.
Professor Thomas agrees.
The state's ability to regulate interstate commerce is only if the federal government is not doing so.
Now, as for Ohio's abortion ban, attorneys for abortion clinics and the state will meet this Friday to determine whether a judge should make the ban indefinite. Reporting live outside the State House, Kevin Landers, 10 TV News.